Welcome to the future of gaming, where performance meets precision in a sleek, high-tech haven. The ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is more than just a system. It's a tactical setup designed for the modern gamer. Inside its futuristic chassis lies a next-gen matrix of processing power and cutting-edge technology, optimized for seamless gameplay and immersive visuals. With advanced cooling systems and lightning-fast connectivity, this machine is built to take on even the most demanding games with ease. A clean aesthetic reigns supreme, as bold lines and neon accents come together to create an eye-catching package that's as visually stunning as it is functional. From the glowing LED strips to the precision-cut metal panels, every detail has been carefully crafted to evoke a sense of high-tech sophistication. But beneath its sleek exterior lies a powerhouse of computing capabilities, boasting lightning-fast processors and expansive memory capacities. Whether you're tackling the latest AAA titles or exploring the vast expanse of virtual worlds, this system delivers unparalleled performance with precision-tuned results. In short, the ASUS Ascent GX10 AI is the ultimate gaming machine for those who refuse to settle for anything less than perfection. Step into its world and experience the future of gaming, where speed, style, and cutting-edge tech come together in perfect harmony.